Oh good, I can actually focus on the video now. Are you playing Hop Along on my chest with him? Is he on your iPad? Come here, good boy. Wow, that's a great view. If I set that as my thumbnail, I might get all the subscribers. He tried to eat the camera last night. Yes, Felix. If you make him jump on my face, I'll kill you.
Hey, no nipping. Ow! Ow!
Wait,
Ow.
just let him
Biting.
stay.
Ow,
No, just let him keep
ow.
doing it. I want to see what he does.
I am. Ah, that one actually hurt. Ah, that one
Yeah,
actually hurt.
he's actually a little bit aggressive with it these days.
Ow.
Because when he starts doing that, he usually starts humping the hand.
I'd rather him not.
Well, you know what? That's nature. You gotta deal with it. Wanna let him fly back now?
Go.
Alright, apparently that's not what's in the cards. Oh, good boy.
Fly.
And down we go. Again with the boobs. Jesus, Jasper. Alright, this is like a 3-minute video now. I need to clip one of his wings again.
Didn't like it.
What'd you do to him?
I went vertical on him.
Oh.
Ow. Ah. Actually. Ow.
Yeah.
Bird butt actually hurt me. Lie back. Boom, it worked.
Oh, did he make it?
Yeah, you made it.
There he is!